Hello friends, let us discuss the question number 2.7 of the chapter number 2, Units and Measurement. A student measures the thickness of a human hair by looking at it through a microscope of magnification 100. He makes 20 observations and finds that the average width of hair in the field of view of the microscope, it is measured in the microscope, the value is measured in microscope is 3.5 mm. What is the estimate thickness or estimate on the thickness of hair? For this type of questions, first of all you should know what is magnification. Magnification is whatever the real dimension of object are there, you want to magnify it. Either you can create a larger image of it, or either you can create a smaller image of it. For example, if I want to draw a star on this particular page, then I will reduce its size. It is also a kind of magnification where I have reduced the scale of star on such a dimension that I can draw it on the page. Similarly, if I want to show one atom on this paper, then I has to magnify the size of atom on this scale. So this is the magnification term. For this, the fundamental definition of magnification is, for any type of magnification, it is the size of object in or size of object on screen, we can say size of object on screen divided by size of object in HUL, that is the HUL dimension of object. Now this magnification can be extended into three terms, that is linear magnification, areal magnification and volumetric magnification. In linear magnification, I have written the term size turns into the length of object on screen divided by length of original object, that is the length of object on screen divided by length of HUL object. Clear? Similarly, for areal, we can write area of object on screen divided by area of HUL object. Similarly, for volumetric, it turns into volumetric. Clear? For our question, you can similarly write definition for such two things. Now here in linear magnification, the value is given as 100. The hair was measured in the microscope and it results into 3.5 mm. That is, on the screen of microscope it was measured 3.5 mm. And the length of HUL hair we want to determine, that is the length of or the thickness of hair we want to measure. So let us say the thickness of original hair or original object is T that we want to determine. This can be written as T is equal to 3.5 mm divided by 100. This turns out to be 0.035 mm. Clear?